Gonna get your hand to write on, just a piece of lake to bite on. When a night to fly my kite on, do you wanna flash your light on? Take a look, it's on display for you. Coming down, not today. Did you meet your fortune teller? Get it off with no propeller. Do it up, it's on with Stella. What a way to finally smell her. Pick it up, but not too strong for you. Take a piece and pass it on. Fly away on my Zephyr. I feel it more than ever. And in this perfect weather, we find a place together. Hello everybody, I'm Vasco from UkuleleCheats.com, and today we're making Zephyr Song by Red Hot Chili Peppers. This tutorial will be focused for beginners first, and after that we'll transition it a little bit to the more advanced people. We'll do the picking stuff, but before that we'll look at the chords and the strumming pattern. So if you're just starting out the ukulele, you'll be able to make the song, okay? Let me first show you the chords that we need throughout the song, and then we'll continue with the tutorial. Alright, the first chord we need is the chord of A minor. Then we need the chord of G. After that we need the chord of E minor. And the chord of F. And after that, for the chords, we also need the chord of D. I'm grabbing it with one finger, maybe for you to be easier with three, I don't know. And also we need the chord of A major. Alright, so throughout the song, pretty much we have just two different parts. The first one is used for the intro, for the verses, and for the solo. And it's this one. A minor, to G, to E minor, to F. Okay? In the string pattern I'm doing, it sounds like down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. Of course, it's not necessary to follow it, but this is just what I'm doing. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. And the second part we have is used for the chords, and it's 2 times D, to G, to A major, okay? Fly away on my Zephyr, I feel it more than ever, and in this perfect weather, we find a place together. Alright, so pretty much these are the two parts. If you're a beginner, you can just skip to the play along right now. And if you want to learn the pickings, let me come a little bit closer first to show you the intro pick, and after that I'll show you the verse pick, okay? Alright, let me come closer. Okay, so in the intro pick we're doing the main chord progression twice, and we start on the A minor like this. Ring finger on the 9th fret of the C string, middle finger on the E string 8th fret, and pinky on the 10th fret of the A string. Alright, this is on the A minor chord. After that, when we go to G, we bar on the 7th fret, and with the middle finger on the 8th fret of the A string. Again, C, E, A. Then we go to E minor chord. Again, just the C, E, A strings. And then we grab the F chord like this. On the C string 5th fret, E string 5th fret, and A string 3rd fret. Alright, so the first half sounds like this. Now the second half, it starts almost the same. We go on the A minor again, 9th fret of the C string, 8th fret of the E string, and 7th fret of the A string. Okay, then on the C string 7, on the E string 7, and on the A string 5. All right. Then we go to E minor, again the same. And when we go to F, we're barring on the 5th fret and also on the 7th fret of the A string. All right. So here's it. Okay. And after that, the pick for the verse. And we start with A minor again right here on the 9th fret C string, 8th fret E string, and 7th fret of the A string. Okay, and we are doing C, E, A, E, and then with the pinky 10 on the A string, 8, 7. Okay, so on the A minor you're doing this. And then you go to G like this again. C, E, A, E, and then with the pinky 8, 7, 5. Then we go to E minor, and we're doing the same moves that we did on the A minor. C, E, A, E, and with the pinky now 5, 3, 2, and then we go to F. So we're doing C, E, A, and then we have this slide 5 to 7, then 5, 8 on the E string, 7. And we go to the second part, but first let's do this one together. And now the second part is almost the same, but we have a few differences. So we start the same way up to this point, and now we go to the 12th fret to 7th fret. All right, and after that on the G chord we're doing exactly the same. Then on E minor we're doing C, E, A, E, A string 5th fret to 7th fret, and then E string 8th fret with the ring finger. I like to grab it with the ring finger because it makes it easier for the next chord, where we do on the C string 5 and on the E string 7, 8, and again C5, E string 7, 8. So only the second part sounds like this. Okay, and together both parts slowly. Second part. Alright, so in the beginning this will take a lot of your CPU usage of your brain, but after a few rehearsals you'll be way better at it. So give it a little bit of time, don't be impatient, and it will happen. Alright? Alright, that's everything you need to do the song. Now let's do the play along. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this tutorial till the very end. If you liked it, make sure you hit this like button because it helps me, and also subscribe to the channel for more of my videos. Okay, I'll see you already soon.